When a volcano erupts, smoke and hot lava come out the top of it. I wonder, what makes a volcano erupt? Great idea! We'll go inside a volcano and find out. I'm gonna need wings, spider legs, and the heat shield.
Wings, spider legs, heat shield, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go through the side vent into the volcano. Whoa! Oh, it sure is hot in here.
Hey there, I'm Maggie the Magma Monster.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.Bo. We want to learn what makes a volcano erupt.
You're in for a real treat, Blippi and D.Bo. Speaking of treats, below us, deep in the earth, the planet's heat is melting rocks into liquid, also known as magma, like me.
You're right, D.Bo. It is like one of our favorite games. The floor is lava. Whoa!
Magma becomes lava after it erupts out of the volcano.
Whoa!
So I guess I'm the floor.
Whoa! We're getting higher.
That's because the more rocks melt below, the more magma rises here in the chamber.
Hey, I wonder where this goes.
Look out, Blippi!
Magma! Phew, that was close. Maggie, you almost fill the whole cavern now.
I sure do. And as I grow, the pressure inside the volcano builds until we push through the crust or the top of the earth. Hold on! Much better.
Maggie, what a blast! And I got the answer to my question. What makes a volcano erupt? A volcano erupts when the hot magma inside it builds pressure and bursts through the surface of the earth. Upload answer, D.Bo.
That was fun, Blippi. Hope you loved it.
We did! Bye-bye, Maggie. Whoa! Whoa, Tabs, that bouncy castle is out of this world. I wonder, what would it be like to bounce on the moon? Great idea, Tabs. We can go to the moon and find out. I'm gonna need a rocket booster, excavator arm, and frog legs.
Jets, excavator arm, frog legs, confirmed.
Okay, let's go explore. The Blippi Mobile is ready to blast off for adventure. And there's the moon! Yeah! Okay, time to land.
Hey, that tickles!
Who are you?
My name's Rocky the Moon Rock because, I'm a rock.
Hey, Rocky. It's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're here to find out what it's like to bounce on the moon.
I never tried it myself, being a rock, but let me see if I can just get up!
All right, then let's bounce.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. I'm light as a feather up here! I never knew I could have been having so much fun!
Woohoo! It's amazing that we're staying up here this long. Why does it take so long to float down?
Because of gravity! It's the invisible force that keeps your moon boots on the ground. It pulls things back down. But But there's way less gravity around the moon than on Earth because the moon is so much smaller.
That's why we float for so long. I have the answer to my question. What would it be like to bounce on the moon? It's so fun, and the bounces are really big because there's less gravity on the moon than there is on Earth. Upload answer tabs. We feel like we're floating, but gravity is slowly pulling us back down.
Cha, 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 cha. Thanks for the greatest time that I, Rocky the Moon Rock, ever had.
Bye, Rocky!
Keep on bouncing, Blippi!
Whoa! What's better than a delicious piece of fruit? You're right, D.Bo. Vegetables are yummy too. I wonder, what's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Super suggestion! We'll go into that garden to figure it out. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Okie dokie, artichokey. Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. All right, we're in a community garden where all kinds of fruits and vegetables grow. Look, there's one right now.
Step right up. You're the next contestants on Slim Cucumber's Certified Fresh Game Show.
Fruit or vegetable?
Tell us your names.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.Bo.
Now, Blippi and D.Bo, a quick review before we start. All fruits have a pit or seeds in them and grow on a plant with flowers.
Fruits have pits or seeds, and always flowers. Got it.
And vegetables are different. There are root and leaves.
Got that too.
Excellent. Let's play. Tell me, Blippi, is this carrot a fruit or...
Ooh, the carrot is a vegetable because it's a root and has leaves.
That's right! But can Blippi go 2 for 2? So tell me, is this tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
This is tough. Okay, a tomato grows from a plant, but it has seeds. It's also a vegetable?
Oh, sorry, tomato is a fruit. Now, your final question, Blippi. Can you tell me if this strawberry is a fruit or vegetable?
Strawberry is a fruit.
Yes, strawberry is a fruit, and you gave 2 correct answers, which means this trophy is all yours!
Wow, thanks, Mr. Slim. And I also have the answer to my question. What's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Vegetables are roots and leaves, and fruits have flowers and a pit or seeds. Upload answer, D.Bo. Bye-bye, Mr. Slim.
Congrats to you, Blippi. That's our game. I'm Slim the Cucumber, and by the way, I'm a fruit. Tune in next time for our special guest, Madam Mango, on Fruit or Vegetable.
I love being at the beach. Whoa! A flying fish! I wonder, what's underneath the ocean? Good idea, Tabs. We can go into the ocean and find out. I'll need duck feet and a propeller.
Duck feet, propeller, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Wow! It's a whole other world down here. Is this like some kind of underwater forest?
Exactly! It is a forest! Welcome to my neighborhood! My name's Jerry the jellyfish!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're down here to see what's in the ocean.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot. The ocean's full of surprises. I'll show you. I'm going to meet my friends. Well, I'll give you a tour along the way.
All right. Thanks, Jerry.
First stop, our kelp forest. This kelp can grow up to 150 feet.
Wow, that's so tall.
Oh, yeah, but sometimes the water current around here blows the kelp around.
Kelp! Kelp!
Oh, no, this never happens.
Great idea, Tabs. Let's use the turbo boosters.
Oh, good. Glad you're okay. Let's move on.
Whoa! That fish is blue and has a long nose.
She's a blue marlin. She uses her nose to find and catch food. She's also really fast.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh, no. This never happens.
Yeah, Tabs, it is dark in here. Wherever we are. Jerry! Jerry?
Blippi, is that you in there? Oh, no. Hold on.
Whoa!
I scared a gray whale? And she blew you right out of her blowhole? That never happens.
Thanks for getting us out of there, Jerry. Oh, you're all lit up.
I told you the ocean was full of surprises, didn't I?
Hey, look, it's your friends.
Hiya, pals. You guys found me.
And I found the answer to my question. What's underneath the ocean? There's a kelp forest, blue marlins, huge whales, and a jellyfish that lights up. Upload answer tabs.
And we're only on chapter 1. In chapter 2, there's an octopus and a shark and a sea turtle and a tuna.
Bye, Jerry.
Oh, and there's an otter and a seahorse and a lobster and a stingray.
Wow, that's a pretty tall mountain. I'm sure there are way taller mountains, Tabs. I wonder, what's the tallest mountain in the world? Great idea, Tabs. We'll go to the Himalayas and find out. I'm gonna need wings and the grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find the tallest mountain in the world. Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're looking for the tallest mountain.
I'm climbing it right now. Hi, I'm Betty the Yeti. I was just headed to the top. That's where the best snow is. Nothing worse than old snow.
Can I tag along? I want to see what it's like on top of the tallest mountain.
Of course, but get ready. This mountain is super tall. Woo! Ice!
We're up so high, and it's much colder up here. Thanks, Tabs. I love hot cocoa. Whoa! Woo! Gotcha. Phew. That was a close one. Hey, it's the mountaintop. Yeah, we made it. Oh, whoa, it's so windy up here.
I got you, Blippi.
So, what is the name of this mountain?
It's Tamalangma! Oh, you call it Mount Everest.
You're right, Tabs. I have the answer to my question. What's the tallest mountain in the world? It's Mount Everest. It's 29,035 feet tall. Upload answer, Tabs.
And the snow up here is delicious. Snow burps.
Have a good snow snack. Bye, Betty the Yeti.
Bye, Blippi.
Bouncy sand dune. And even bouncier. Wow, what an amazing sandcastle. Wave incoming. Oh no. Looks like that castle was no match for that wave. Huh. I wonder, can I build a sandcastle that doesn't get washed away? Yeah, you're right, Tabs. There is only one way to find out. I need to build a sandcastle of my own. I'm gonna need the excavator arm and spider legs.
Excavator arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for action. Let's go make a sandcastle that won't get washed away. Now we need to make ourselves sandcastle size. Shrinking down. Feel that cool ocean breeze, Tabs. Whoa!
Hi there, I'm Krabby the Crab. Pleasure to meet you. Ooh, crikey, I don't know my own strength.
Hi, Krabby. It's me, Blippi. And this is my Blippi Mobile.
I love it. So, you out taking a fun ride?
Actually, Krabby, I'm here because I'm curious if I can build a sandcastle that won't get washed away.
You came to the right crab. I'm a planner, digger, and a builder. I can help you, Blippi.
Great.
So the first thing we're gonna do is build a moat. That's a fancy word for a hole. You see, the water goes into the hole and doesn't wash away what's behind it. So, let's dig. Dig, 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 dig. Woo!
Wow, what a hole!
Now let's build a sandcastle.
You're right, Tabs. We are gonna need a shovel.
Finished! Success!
You already built it, Krabby.
And our moat is perfect. The moat's the hole we dug all around the sandcastle.
Great moat! And best sandcastle ever. Wave incoming! The moat worked, Krabby. This means I think I have the answer to my question. Can I build a sandcastle that doesn't get washed away? I can by making a hole around it to catch the water. Upload answer, Tabs. Thanks, Krabby.
See you later, Blippi. Keep on digging.
It's so hot out today, but my popsicle is melting down my hand. I wonder, why do popsicles melt down my hand? What's that, Tabs? Go into that ice cream truck and ask an expert? That's a great idea. I'm gonna need wings, the excavator arm, and duck feet.
Wings, excavator arm, duck feet, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why my popsicle always melts down my hand. Shrinking down! Woohoo! I'm in the ice cream truck.
Hi, welcome to my neighborhood. I'm Sherry Pop. Glad you popped in.
Hi, Sherry. It's me, Blippi. I was wondering why my popsicle always melts down my hand.
Oh, I know that one. But first, let's have some frozen fun.
All right. Woohoo! We're ice cream boarding.
We're sprinkle sliding.
I'm chocolate fudge snorkeling. Sherry, are you melting?
Yes, I'm melting because I'm very warm. But I'll go cool off in the freezer and I'll be fine in a sec. Ice cold.
How's it going in there, Sherry?
It's freezy breezy. Now I'm all set.
Whoa, It looks super freezing in there.
Yup, it's cool to be cold when you're a frozen dessert like me. My ideal temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. If I keep cool like that, then I won't melt.
Good to know. I see you're like my Popsicle from earlier. When it was out of the freezer and in the heat of the Blippi mobile, it melted on me.
Sounds like your Popsicle should have come for a visit.
You're right. Which means we have the answer to my question. Why my Popsicle melts down in my hand. It's because Popsicles will melt if they get too warm. That's why we keep them in the freezer. Upload answer tabs. Sherry, thank you for a totally tasty adventure. It was so cool.
Stay cool, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Yum. These turkey sandwiches are going to be delicious. Oh, what a mess. Hey, look at that fly walk on the ceiling. I wonder, how do flies walk on the ceiling? I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Hey, D.Bo! I think I know that fly. It's Horace.
Hi, Blippi! How's it going, pal?
How did you get on the ceiling?
No, it's easy. Watch this. Ta-da!
Wow!
Yes, sirree! The ceiling is my own personal dance floor. Skip-it-bit-it-dip-dip-dip-dip. Now you try.
Here goes. Whoa! Why can't the Blippi Mobile stand on the ceiling too? What's the trick?
Here's the trick. You've got to stick.
Stick?
You see, my feet make a super sticky glue that helps me stick to the ceiling. Here, try some.
Don't mind if I do. Here goes. Whoa! Oh, now I stick to the ceiling too.
Look at all that mess. Oh,
the glue has us stuck in place.
That's because you're not doing the fly leg twist.
The fly leg twist?
That's right. Fly glue is so strong that we have to push ourselves off the ceiling to walk. Like this.
Like this?
You got it. Now let's hit it. Do the fly leg twist. Do the fly leg twist. Get your feet unstuck when you go like this.
We did it! And I have the answer to my question. How do flies walk on the ceiling? Fly legs have a special sticky glue that keeps them stuck to the ceiling. Upload answer, D.Bo.
Well, I'm off to eat a little bit of dinner now. See you later, Blippi.
Bye-bye! Moon, stars, and is that a planet? Oh, it is, Tabs. Whoa! There's a whole area out there in space with the planets and the sun. It's called the solar system. I wonder, what planets are in the solar system? Good idea, Tabs. Let's go into outer space. I'm gonna need a rocket booster.
Rocket booster confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Now it's time to get planet size. Growing up! Right, Tabs, we're in space. Whoa, it's a meteor. Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Welcome to outer space. I'm Mary the Meteor.
I'm here to find out about all the planets in our solar system.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. Let's meet them, shall we? Closest to the blazing sun are the 2 smallest and hottest planets, Mercury and Venus.
Whoa! That is hot.
We should go. The 3rd planet is your home, Earth.
Hi, Mom.
Then there's Mars, the red planet. Mars is red because it's covered in rusty soil.
That's a lot of dust.
Come on! Next up is the giant Jupiter, bigger than all the planets combined. He doesn't scare me, though. Whoa! We should go!
We sure are a long way from the sun now.
Welcome to Saturn and her rings.
Whoa, they look beautiful. Can we get closer?
Of course!
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, whee!
Wait! We haven't finished yet.
On your left is Uranus, billions of miles from the sun, pretty cold.
Now let's hear it for the furthest, windiest, and coldest planet, Neptune!
Whoa! I have the answer to my question. What planets are in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Upload answer tabs. Thanks for the tour, Mary. That was wild.
See ya, Blippi. Time for a shower. A meteor shower!
Bye, Mary the Meteor. Whoa, look at that massive skyscraper with a crane next to it. Right, D.Bo. I think it is helping build the building. I wonder, how does a crane help build a building? Great idea! We'll go talk to the crane! I'm gonna need a grabber arm and extendo legs!
Grabber arm, extendo legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure! Extendo legs up! Whoa!
Hi, are you here to help me?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.Bo. Sure, I'll help. What's your name?
It's Kareem the Crane. It's my first big job today. I'm kind of nervous.
I get it. Trying new things makes me nervous sometimes, too. We'll help you any way we can.
I spin my mast, my tall body around, and then I extend my jib down. The jib is my long arm. Now I can use my hook to pick up these really heavy bricks. Whoa! I can't stop it swinging!
Gotcha.
Thanks, Blippi. I'm still learning, but I'll figure this out. Now you can help me with the roof. It's that big glass square down there. Glass is very fragile.
You got this.
I'm doing it! I'm really doing it!
Now, take it up, Kareem.
Oh, goodness! Look out below!
Got it! Now, let's finish the job.
Yeah!
Isn't helping Kareem so fun?
Hey, we did it!
And now I know the answer to my question. How does a crane help build a building? Cranes lift heavy materials so they can be used to construct super tall buildings. Upload answer, D.Bo. Yes!
Thanks for everything, Blippi. Bye!
Bye, Kareem! I knew you'd be an amazing crane.